Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PDF viewer. To begin, open your desired PDF document by navigating to the File menu and selecting Open, or by simply dragging and dropping the file into the viewer window. Once open, take a moment to observe the main toolbar, which usually presents essential controls like zoom, page navigation, and search. Understanding these initial steps will set you up for efficient document interaction. Navigating through your PDF is straightforward. You can easily scroll using your mouse or keyboard arrow keys to move up and down or side to side. To get a closer look, adjust the zoom level. Many viewers offer options from 50% to 400% or even fit to width. Experiment with different page view modes, such as single page or continuous scroll, to find what works best for your reading style. PDF viewers offer powerful tools for interaction. You can highlight key information using the highlighter tool, choosing from a palette of colors to categorize your notes. For more detailed thoughts, add comments or sticky notes directly onto the document, which is excellent for personal study or team feedback. Additionally, the text selection tool allows you to easily copy text, making it simple to transfer information to other documents or applications with just a few clicks. Once you have finished working on your PDF, saving your changes is crucial. Simply go to the File menu and select Save to preserve your annotations and edits. If you need a physical copy, the print function offers several options, including printing specific pages or adjusting the layout. Many viewers also provide convenient sharing options, allowing you to email your document or upload it to cloud storage with minimal effort, ensuring your work is easily distributed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.